Today we'll discuss a crucial topic impacting our health, energy and well-being that few people mention: heavy metals. These chemical elements enter our bodies invisibly and the body can't process them. It accumulates them little by little and this starts to affect our liver and our energy. But don't worry, because today I want to share with you how to help your body eliminate them naturally. There are two very simple natural treatments, one with radish and the other with cilantro. If you use them the right way, they're a fantastic ally for detoxification. You'll need to listen to the video very carefully to all the details I'm going to give you, so it works 100%. Heavy metals are everywhere, and they're nothing more than chemical elements or minerals that enter our bodies in different ways, through breathing, through our skin, or through what we eat or drink. Now the question is, how can they leave our bodies? Mainly through urine, feces, and sweat. It's important to know that sweat is considered a form of exfoliation. This means that what comes out through the skin in sweat, if it's not cleaned, not scrubbed, not removed, the skin will absorb it again. The key to this problem is that heavy metals are never metabolized. The body can't assimilate them. This process is known as bioaccumulation. It's a progressive process where the amount of toxic metals in your body keeps increasing. The liver processes toxins, and highly toxic substances can go directly to it and cause significant damage. Sometimes heavy metal toxicity can also be linked to liver diseases. The accumulation of these heavy metals in your body can show up in many different ways. And the symptoms are these: chronic fatigue, lack of energy, memory problems, brain fog, headaches, and a lot of mood swings. Is it possible that the cause of all this is the accumulation of heavy metals? I'm going to share with you two natural remedies that are excellent to support you in the detoxification process. Through natural chelation, it attracts the heavy metal, drags it and cleans it out. Radish, for example, is a great chelating agent. It has a very special substance that helps with this chelating effect. And folk medicine has been using it for a very long time for this purpose. In fact, the ancients, our ancestors, used it to treat people poisoned by snake bites, which shows how powerful it is. To remove toxins and poisons from the body. For it to work optimally, I'm going to tell you how it's used. Exactly, because it's not enough to just eat radish in a salad. It doesn't work that way. To help us with this detox, we're going to consume it on an empty stomach in the morning. And now let's go to the kitchen so you can see in detail how it's made and how to take it correctly. Let's get started. Is that it? Especially the peel, which is what interests us the most. Because of the intibin. Intibin, a bitter substance, is found in a high dose in the skin of the radish. This substance has a choleretic effect, which is key for what we're looking for. A choleretic stimulates the liver and promotes bile release from the gallbladder. This not only improves the digestion of fats, but also helps expel toxins from the body, since many are eliminated through bile. We are going to use a heaping tablespoon, like this. We are going to put it in a glass. A cup. It's 200 milliliters. And we're going to fill it with water. And we're going to stir it very well. we'll see the water turning lilac purple. We stir it again for a little while. Now I'll pour it here, since I made it in this glass, and it would be hard to pour into a drinking glass otherwise. Right? Let's pour a little bit. And that's it. We pour this into a glass. And we're going to drink this glass of juice for 5 to 7 days, 1 per day, on an empty stomach in the morning. If we feel that we need to continue with the detox, what we're going to do is take a break for 3 months, and after those 3 months, we drink the juice again for 5 or 7 days at most. I drink a glass each morning for 5 days. Take a 3-month break, then repeat for 5 days. And now I want to share another recipe with you, also a Cilantro, which is cilantro juice. This one is a little more complex to prepare. We're not going to make it in the kitchen. I'll tell you about it. I'll leave the recipe here for you. We're going to use 2 sprigs of cilantro. Cilantro is also a great chelating agent to help with heavy metal detoxification. Its power lies in its phytochemical compounds, which have the ability to bind to heavy metals like mercury and help them be eliminated from the body. We're also going to add 5 centimeters of ginger, 4 lemons with the peel, 2 cucumbers, and 1 green apple without the seed. And we put everything in the juicer, and we're going to get a generous amount of juice, a big glass. And we're going to drink this. We can drink it, for example, on an empty stomach, or we can drink it after lunch whenever we feel most comfortable doing so. But we have to take it once a day, for 10 days, and not more than 10 days. We've received this beautiful recipe with a full explanation. It's a recipe. And to this detox plan, you add a good diet, as we've already talked about in previous videos, and good hydration. It's going to be great. In fact, I recommend that you stay very well hydrated throughout the entire detox process with Radish. And you can even start 2 days before by hydrating yourself very well. And if you're interested in superfoods to detox and strengthen our health, I invite you to watch my video about fermented garlic. In this video, I share with you how to prepare this fermented garlic. It's a natural probiotic, it's excellent for your health, and besides, it's delicious to accompany your meals. I'll leave the link right here. Just tap there and it will take you straight to the video. And of course, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. And to give me a thumbs up if this video supported you. Did it help you? Tell me in the comments if you already knew the benefits of radish and cilantro. And of course, share this video with everyone you think it could help. Big kiss, bye.